welcome back to the Northern Woodshop. Now in today's video, we'll be making something a little similar in topic to a previous project that I made, except this one's a different design. It's a crayon holder in the shape of a flower. So I'll show you how to do it and we'll have fun doing it. So what you need for this project is two pieces of wood, about 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches, and this just a piece of thin wood to cut a hole of a round shape of about 2.5 inches in diameter. Now for this one, I've already drawn my my template here. Okay, just to save some time here. But so this project will be 2 layers. Okay, so this shape here, which is the leaves underneath the flower, like so, and then the circle will go in the middle. Okay, so right now we're ready to start cutting. I'll start with the leaves. So once you're done cutting your pieces here, so you'll end up with this piece here with the leaves and the flower that goes on top, and the circle for the middle. Okay, so now we're ready to drill the holes for the crayons. Now this project, one of my customers wanted this project to hold crayons. Okay, so I chose a bit that is the size of the crayon that I'm using. But if you're going to make this for a person that prefers pencils, then you'll have to choose a bit to accommodate the size of the pencil. Or if it's a marker, same thing, choose a bit that will accommodate the size of the marker. Okay, so right now we'll just identify here where we want the holes to be. So what I do usually, I just use this very simple X cross pattern, like so. Okay, one here, bottom, left to right. Okay, so you do this for all petals. So 6 petals times 4 holes. So this holds 24 crayons. Okay, just really quick here, and then we'll go to the drill press and we'll start drilling. Here we go. Okay, so on this drill here, again, I've put a tape here just so I don't go through the wood. Okay, I want all holes to be the same depth. So as soon as I start drilling and I hit the bottom of this tape here, I stop. So all my holes will have the same depth. Okay. All right. Okay, so now we're done with drilling the 24 holes. Okay, so now we have our 3 pieces for the project. Next step, at this stage, I prefer to just paint the pieces at this stage, because then it's easier to just glue the one on top, and then you don't have to worry about painting in all the small areas. Okay, so once it's painted, I start with this piece here. I paint both sides, add glue to the middle here. I paint the flower, glue this as well, same for the round part. And now at this stage here, if you don't have any clamps to hold your wood together, it's not a big deal. You just grab anything that has a little weight to it. Could be a can of soup or anything that you have heavy, and just lay it on the middle part like this, and then after a few hours it should be dry. Okay, but in this case here, I'll just show you some I'll just bring back the finished product here that I had earlier, and some other examples of just different colors that you can use for this project. Okay, if you can see them here. It's a very, very easy project, and in the middle of the circle there, you can write a person's name or anything that or just leave it blank. Totally up to you. It's a very, very easy project. And like I said, this one was for crayons. But keep in mind, if you use this for pencils, your holes will have to be smaller. Same for markers. And again, very easy to paint both pieces before they're glued together, just so that you don't have to go into the small areas here. And that's it for this project. Very, very easy to do. I hope you like this project. Hope you had fun doing it. And as always, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. And until next time, stay safe.